Want to download GTA Vice City in laptop or PC? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can do that. First of all, open up any web browser, then search for Rockstar Games. Then head over to rockstargames.com. Make sure to sign into your account. Once you have been signed in, click on this search button. Here, you want to select games and then type in GTA Vice City. Search for that. Now you can check out the game description from here. To download this, you want to select the Buy Now option. Go ahead and select that. Now you want to select platform. For that, select PC. After that, click on the Buy Now option. If you haven't signed up already, you want to enter your credentials here and sign into your account. Now complete the payment process. Follow the on-screen prompts and this will be successfully downloaded. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.